So yeah, so we begin with this presentation where one would feel that any the most prized possession is people. And when you have people with you, there is nothing can be better than that. And people having faith, trust, dependency, trust, that is what Dipali spells. So this having people with you itself with trust and dependency is a great honor. And I had seen it at home itself. Earlier at home, whenever my mother wanted some work to be done, and it is an important job, it has to be done immediately, she never used to tell me. She used to tell Dipali, this has to be done. So that trust, faith was much more, even in my mother, for Dipali, and that what is a standing feature. A little disclaimer to this presentation is that there's no pun, only fun is intended over here. We'll have a nice time. No animals have been harmed in this presentation. Alcohol consumption is harmful for health. And most important, my gratitude for all of you, those who have contributed to this work and made all this happen. So my gratitude to all of you over here. Now memories are forever. And that is what Dipali always longs for. She likes memories, places, people. So that's what I thought that what to give her. So I thought I'll give her memories. Because earlier, from all these advertisements and all around, we used to always see that diamonds are the best friends of a woman. But knowing her for 3 decades, I definitely felt that she would value these memories much more to any diamond. Of course, I could not afford a diamond is another story, but it is these memories that she would always cherish, relish, and how the years have gone by, we would just go through these 50 years, finally like becoming a gynecologist and a consultant. So I welcome you all to this evening or whatever morning, afternoon, as I said, night. And we welcome here tomorrow. We have Ganesh Chaturthi. It is celebrated very much in our city or country or place. And a small clip on this. So welcome to all of you. And as a kid, I was told that she had advanced milestones. But the reason of these advanced milestones is she had best of pediatric care at home. It was not only that, probably there was some genetic factor also in this that led to these advanced milestones. The siblings did not have any rivalry. They grew up all together playing, and still they are acting like those kids. She's been ever ready for new roles, whichever as a kid being Krishna or playing with the dolls, or even today doing regular carpentry work. She's always ready for any new role to be taken up. She's the eldest and she's always been caring. Here you have Swaroop, you may not recognize, this is Surbi. So always caring for the kids, and that does not stop, it still continues. It is even Soha, who's now of course in Cambridge, she takes care of all of them, seeing Soha since birth also. So a very caring person that Dipali is, who has been reaching heights, but at the same time, she's grounded. Doing paragliding, but being grounded. So that is what Dipali stands for. In school, she's been a recipient of quite a few prizes. And now she's on the other side. She's been giving prizes. So from receiving prizes, she has gone on to giving prizes, and that the prizes here continues. In fact, every year, in the school Dayanand Vidyalaya, where my mother was a principal for over 33 years. She goes on the annual day, and there is a Vimla Prabhat Puruskar which she gives to the deserving students. When she was 16, one of a very popular, very famous, of course, many of you must be knowing Shyam Joshi. He had made this card for her that she is now 16, she's grown up, and this is an invitation card, which really, I mean, is a treasure. And then in first MBBS, she joined medicine. She had gone to Japan. In fact, I met her when she was in second MBBS, and she used to tell me, oh, this dress I got from Thailand, this dress I got from Tokyo, and so on. And initially, I was taken aback. I got a complex that, you know, I mean, these dresses which she's wearing is from Japan and from Hong Kong. And I have not seen how a plane looks from inside. So, but after knowing her more, we knew that she was down to earth. She was quite grounded also. With the parents, of course, these are the, Baba has made this for her, where pictures are shown. She as a kid growing up, and this, of course, 2 years ago, she attended a conference now with Ai Baba in Cape Town. So with Ai Baba, she is a very strong bonding, and you can see with these pictures, you could realize pictures will speak 1,000 words. So I don't have to talk much, you know, when you see all of them. That this is where Ai Baba had celebrated their 50 years of marriage anniversary, and this was in Goa, Mangeshi. This is in Tada, the farm, and of course Baba's birthday over here. So we have great times with Ai Baba, and now we come to her closest friends. One is supposed to be blessed, those who have same friends in different stages of life, whether it is primary school, college, medical college, or even after that. So these three were the trio in GS Medical College when I used to meet them, and they used to always be together, could not separate them. And today, of course, you met Mugdha, who's a psychiatrist in the US, Carolina, and in LA, you have Megha. So these three were together from school, KEM, and even today they are together. Even during the lockdown period, these three have their Zoom meeting together. Then she entered final MBBS. Final MBBS, whenever I used to see her, either she was in the library or having coffee energy. That was her favorite. She'll never read one book. She'll have 8-10 books around. Even today, if there won't be one book with her, she'll be all surrounded with books. And her favorite was coffee energy. Unfortunately, it is not available now. We went for some of these outings. We went to Lonavala, etc. And with the three sisters, of course, they're not four sisters, they look like four sisters. It's my eldest Bhabhi, Sudha, who's the CEO of our family. And here we have at the New Year party, again, somewhere in Lonavala, and we have Surbhi behind, if you can notice, and you have Shubha. And again, in the third MBBS, this picture I would tell you because he has joined us. We have my friend from the college, and this is Bhaskar Upadhyay, who's in Singapore. And he was not only a guide, but he's helped me a lot when Asim was to get into SMU. And he's been like a real source of help. So this is at Alok's house at Juhu, where, you know, we had a party, and where Dipali joined my 11th, 12th standard friends. And many of them today are also so helpful and friendly. Whenever we are in Singapore or here, we're always together. In fact, I remember those times we used to have parties. We used to just get a packet of wafers and one bottle of Limca or Gold Spot, and it was a fantastic party. So used to be very happy with you know, these parties in college. I mean, that was the party, sitting on the floor and having a nice time. Now, basically, Dipali had very strong foundations. Of course, with King George School, many of you are there from King George School would already know that she was doing quite well. Even in, I think, 10th, she was third and just 2 marks behind the topper of the whole school, got into Ruparel College. In Ruparel College, she did her 11th and 12th standard. And of course, she was very high on it, so got into GS Medical College. Here she could not decide whether I should take gynec or surgery. She used to contemplate between the two. So when the results came, I saw she got distinction in surgery and in gynec. So she took gynec and joined Wadia Hospital and again passed out with flying colors. So the foundations have been very strong. After in third MBBS, we got engaged. This was again Vanita Samaj. In fact, all our probably functions were at one place only, Vanita Samaj. So in that you find Saru, my mother, father, the parents, and then we got married. And she from Lakshmi Graha, she became a Graha Lakshmi. If you don't know, the name of the building from where she was staying, or even her parents are now, is called as Lakshmi Graha. So from Lakshmi Graha, she became Graha Lakshmi, and you see this picture where of the whole family, and this is my Babi, who was the Pandita and actually was conducting the whole show. And this is Anshu, who's in Seattle now, and is the marriage. And after the marriage, I remember my mother-in-law, you can see behind, Ai, whom we call, had told me that you're married, now you have to take care of my daughter. And in Maharashtra, there is a ritual that unless you feed the daughter, the parents will not go away, the family does not go away. Yeah, many of you must be aware of this. So she told me that now you have to take care of my daughter. So I continued that later, and even when my mother-in-law was not there, this still continued. So taking care, I've been taking care till today. So all her friends should note this. Then in the evening we had a reception with, of course, my parents and her parents. This is the evening which we had at Vanita Samaj. We went to Lakshadweep for our honeymoon, where of course we had a group of found friends, 7 honeymoon couples were there. We had a lovely time, and after we came back, then came our third MBBS results. After marriage, the first Sankranti we celebrated, where they supposed to wear a black sari, and jewelry is made out of sweets, etc. So this is the first Sankranti at home, and we did not waste time. Soon we had the next generation which had to welcome, the baby shower. And the baby shower, this is of course Baba, and a very rare picture we have with Satya, which is her grandfather. In the next, you have my mother, again my Babi, and the cute little girl sitting in her lap is none other than Ketki. She's in Singapore. And of course, Shubha, she's in London now. And my mother is Dipali. So 10th of January 1994, this was I think 1:30 at early morning, it was clicked. And this is the delivery. Of course, no guesses, no prizes for any guesses. And then we took her to Dadar because Dipali was doing her MD in Gynec at Wadia. So for 2 years, I mean, we're shuttling between Dadar and Mahim. And this is having fun time with Asim. This was the naming ceremony of Asim. The name was given by my father. And this is again at Vanita Samaj, where we had a ceremony. And the only thing Dipali used to be after was constantly feeding Asim, does not eat. So this was Dipali, I mean, just feeding Asim. And of course, he was successful in this process. Now with the parents, there was no generation gap basically. You can see I and Saru. Then this is again a picture to be remembered where Asim is looking at his mother, grandmother, and great-grandmother. So all of them together, and this is again with his grandfather. So there has been no generation gap. They've been all very close. Our family, our side, this was Asim's second birthday at the club, and we had a Mundan ceremony, and my parents and my elder brother, Piyush, who's a gynecologist. This was again at Shubha's ceremonies, marriage ceremonies, where we have the whole family together. We all have holidays together, with the whole family again in Panjgani. This is in Badlapur. So all of us being together. Now, very important as far as for Dipali is concerned is a cake. A cake plays a very major role in our life. Today also we were searching, for a vegan cake, where we'll get it. And cake in our family, all our four children are crazy with cakes. When they were small, all our four children were used to jump wherever cake is. So you can see the way they look, not only Dipali, even my eldest brother, the way they used to look at the cake was, nothing. So then I realized it, why is it like, everybody is just into the cake? Because even at the first birthday, Dipali did not leave her cake. Before they could cut the cake, this is her first birthday, and it was a Humpty Dumpty cake. She could not wait for it to be cut, and she removed the Humpty Dumpty then. So from the beginning, she has been after this cake thing, which is of course continuing. Hopefully now it will come down after 50 years. Next, Dipali. This was a Sarup's wedding where Sai Baba were, visiting us. So basically, she's a master chef. Not only master of surgery, but master in cooking. And you can see the different forms of cake, different colorful cakes. They not only look good, they are delicious, I can assure you. There's hardly any butter in it, hardly any sugar in it, but it is made with lots of love, lots of affection, and that is what gives it the taste. So I used to ask her, why do you want to make a cake on the birthdays? Cake is available. No, she said, no, it's that day. That day I want to enjoy, or that day I want to live, and I really want to live the day. So she lives for the day, the present, the today, and puts her whole heart and soul in making a cake. On this, I would just 1 minute. I think some people want to join in.
No, I think it's fine. Everyone's in.
Everyone's in. No, I got. So basically, I just quote two of my father's poems lines. आज ही है जो शाश्वत है, आज में जियो, आज को जियो, और चले चलो कभी ना आने वाले कल की ओर, क्योंकि आज ही अपना है, कल तो सिर्फ एक बेहतर आज का सपना है. So very important, her mantra is live for the day and live to the fullest. She's very happy with green, very happy with gardening, has more than 200 plants which she tends to fend, tends to nurture, and even talks to them. You see, if it is a rainy season, she'll wear a raincoat and go in. She'll water the plants. She'll keep on buying new plants and always planting these. And she's very happy with the green at the garden. Very, very, very happy with the garden. You can see the smile comes on the face. Today, also in the morning, when just outside the balcony, where there was a flower, she felt that this flower is wishing me, and that brought up the smile more than anything else. So she's very, very happy with the green. Now she has these three, her siblings, and you can see all of them, whenever they're together, they just freak out. Another group of friends, which is of the mothers, and we have Vishaka, she's sitting in front of me. Every year she organizes a Women's Day, and the number keeps on increasing. She has to stop the registrations. These girls have a great time on Women's Day, either on a ship or on a hotel. I mean, it's a 3-4 different places. So you can see them. They really enjoy themselves on Women's Day. This is again with Survi, and this is Vishaka. She's the organizer and Miss Sivas of our area. This women's power does not end here. You can see that this is all the group in our house. And again, with the women power you see at Banaras with my both Bhabis and the whole Poddar clan, the women, Felt great. She got blessings of Daya Kaki today, which I wanted because she should remember her from her heart, and the whole family, the woman power of the Poddars. One thing is there that she's always on time, and and she has prepared from basic carpentry to this woodwork. There is the layers of resin which she has put in this wood that has been cut, and this has been inspired from last year we had been to Rishikesh, and from Rishikesh she got this idea of the river where we were on in the camps, on the banks, and that adorns the wall of her house. If you can see it, that clock she has made, and so always on time and always ready to do new things, as I earlier said. Now this is Monte Carlo, where why I want to show you this is it's been I think 2-3 years ago, after a gap of 15 years. But the comment which I got from people was that she looks younger after 15 years. So somebody I think just put that question. So here you can compare her, same place, but she's younger. As we spoke, being a master chef, there was a magazine which she had edited for the hospital. And I remember the doctors put in various recipes. And what she did was that she made those recipes, clicked a photograph, and with these photographs, that because the article does not look good without a photograph. Therefore, she made all of them, clicked it, and so it was not only the main course, starters, it has been even the beverages, the snacks, everything that, so A to Z she's been cooking and picking up. So not only a master chef, master of surgery, but a master IIPS. This deserves great accolades because in the 40s, to appear for a master's exam, to write 12 papers of 3 hours each itself and passing out with the A grade itself deserves ovation. These are various gardens that we visited. Nekchand's garden, of course, near the Shivaliks at Chandigarh, or Eden Garden. We were in the, some memories in the commentator box or at Garden by the Bay. I remember her words. Only for 2 places she said, "Wapas aana banta hai," and that was Halong's Bay, Vietnam, or Santorini. Very happy in the happiest country. She liked the simplicity of the place, very simple people, and she was happy as far as the happiest country, which is Bhutan, is concerned. We enjoyed the first snowfall of the season. We went, it was not supposed to snow, but the first snowfall, we had a great time in Sikkim and in Simla. This is at Neela Pani, which we went to it as Kala Pani. But what we saw over there at Havelock Island or even at Neil Island was the water used to be absolutely blue and mesmerizing. Wherever we went, she's been always relaxed. Certain memories of Pune, which are very strong with us, that this is my mommy, and with Alok and Sudha and my cousin who's no more, so that memories really linger on with us. Now we did the Ganga trail. We went to Gangotri, and from Gangotri, once we went to Allahabad on one side and Allahabad on the other side. So this is the Sangam side and this is the Naini side, the 2 sides of Allahabad, and with her friends again went to Calcutta. So she's trailed the whole Ganga. They did the Ganga cruise also along with this. Then we visited Hardwar and Rishikesh, some good memories where this is that Har Ki Pauri where the Aarti is done. This is last year at Hardwar with parents, and this is my parents at Lakshman Jhula where we gave the same post. Then we went to Yamunotri and Kedarnath. We did the trek to Yamunotri. It was not much, of course, 7 kilometers. And Kedarnath we could not trek because of less days, so of course by helicopter. Now different places we went to, but I realized finally the winner was Deepali. Wherever she was there, the thing tilted on the other side. So I was the loser most of the times. We had fun at various places. Of course, some of the ones which you remember well would be swimming at Capri or Amalfi Coast and Vietnam, etc. Three cheers. This is again my Bhabhi Sudha and Shubha, who's in London, about to move into a new house. We went to Jammu. We were at Sudha's brother Suresh, very close. I mean, a family only to all of us. Again, who's no more, so his memories linger with us, and we wish our needs have risen, but that is only for the bread. And her latest possession was a dough maker. So she has now learned bread making, and I can tell you that you can see from the looks itself. I'm not a good photographer, but the look is such that it tells you that it's such a delicious or a tasty bread. Now we have the 27th anniversary, that is last year. And again, I don't remember this, that even after 27 years, why I remember it is we were in Nairobi and we got 3 cakes, morning, afternoon, night, and we had a great time on our 27th anniversary. One of the favorite places that Dipali likes, I remember, is Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is one of the prime places where she wants to go again and again. I mean, she really loves Rajasthan. As I said, she's taking up new things. And along with Dr. Preeta, who's there, I just saw her on the screen. She has learned Kathak. She's appearing for those exams also. And she does it with a lot of sincerity and fitness. From Allahabad, we visited at those times where I'm again thankful to Dr. Rajiv Agarwal and Jyoti who have again joined in. And this is with Asim and with Bobby, again our very close, all our relatives. And recently when we went last year with Alok and Piyush, so we've been visiting Allahabad basically for marriages at 2 or 3, 4 years of intervals. Now, Dipali has turned a new leaf. After completing 50, she has taken up a whole plant-based cooking. And again, as I said, that she keeps on inculcating new ideas. This is the micro leaves, which which have maximum nutrition. She's grown that. A smoothie maker. For the last 6 months, our breakfast is this smoothie maker. So this is what is a new addition. She's not only vegan, she's having a plant-based diet. And her green smoothie has become so popular also that you have this Maharashtra Association of Gynecologists who have taken her smoothie recipe and put it in their journal also. So this is, she has turned a new leaf. So Kashmir ki Kali, you see what she was, and then she's grown up into Kali at Char Chinar, at Pahalgaon, and in Dal Lake. Now, Dadar Club has been a second home to us from the beginning. Now, you see, this is, of course, Asim, first birthday, and his birthday and my mother's birthday is the same. So, I mean, both of them together. Behind, we have I, and next to it, we have Mummy Ji, which is, as I said, my Sudha Bhabhi's mother. So, and other thing which I'll tell you is we have Aniket. He has just got engaged. He's in the US, a big man in Buffalo now, who's again tasting the cake. We spoke a lot about cakes. So, I mean, in our probably whole family, everybody likes to dip into the cake beforehand. This is our anniversary this year only in February end, where we were in the club. And again, over here, you find Ojas and Swaroop and Om all together with us. Now, basically, Dipali, as a kid from inside, as I said, what about the cake or other things? Whenever we go out and she sees some cartoon or a character, a kiddie character, she always latches on to it. So I feel like taking a picture. So she's basically a kid, and I tell her, ये बड़ा बचपन है हो रहा है, आपका. Having a nice time with Asim, holidays, different places, his mama's boy, various places all around that we've been seeing. Now this was a magazine which was Diwali Ank, and Asim was 2.5 years old, and he was on the cover of this. I don't know, Asim is smiling, so you were 2.5 years old, and of course, growing up fast. So Dipali has been adapting very well, whether we go to Amritsar or we go to Alleppey. And you can see the change effortlessly. And I'll show you other things as far as national integration is concerned. Now with Ai Baba, we celebrated the Golden Jubilee. This was at Mangeshi, Goa. And of course, a very, you can say, regular feature with him is going to India Photo Studio and having a picture clicked with the whole family together. And of course, difficult to get the whole family together at times. So these are pictures for the album. Now we did a detox course in Pumali. We had a very nice time, and Deepali was very happy with all the type of food and the detox of Pumali. This is in Kerala. 2 weeks we had a great time, and a very again close friend Suresh Kumar, who's been instrumental with few other things with us. So we traveled a lot with him. Now she's quite influenced with Bollywood. Whenever Bollywood has that much influence, that you find Bollywood in her. I mean, so this is at Chokidani where she just went into a dance straight away. And sorry, we had done a program for Shushrucha Hospital. And of course, when she went into the fields of Amritsar, it was like a Yash Chopra movie, probably, which she felt. Now, as in an earlier disclaimer, we have seen that no animals were harmed. This is Asim was 6 months old, and with peacocks, he was playing with peacocks. Then a little bigger, we've seen elephants with a cow, and when we were out with a chimpanzee. So always playful with animals, not harming any animals at any. This is last year's picture. Thanks to my brother Piyush who sent us this picture. It was her birthday in the morning. They had a C-section, and then how the roles reversed. Came home, made a cake, and also cut a cake. So the roles reversed so fast within a day, and the 49th birthday took place. So basically, at home she's quite relaxed, and we're thankful to Bulan. And basically, she's relaxed because we have her here. I'm just calling her. That more than 20 years, she's been there with us, and she's helping out, and with that, Deepali becomes quite relaxed at home. We have Radha also, who has been there for nearly 25 years with us. So both of them are pillars. Both of them are pillars which have given her comfort and given her this relaxation. Now going around, a few places where certain memories remain was the Gaza Strip, where the Palestinians itself were the Palestinians amongst them. I mean, and the Israelis, they were really having a conflict there. So we just took a picture. And Hiroshima, of course, which has just completed 75 years now, day for yesterday. Now Reena was there, who was just talking about just before this on the screen. So Reena and Jatin, they've been a very close friends. We've been traveling a lot together, and of course we have a great time. And this is of course Komal with her, who's in the US now studying. Then we have all 6 of us at one of the parties or whatever beaches. So the best medicine which she practices is laughter. Wherever she is always smiling, laughing, and keeping herself happy. We have a lot of memories. Few of them which I've just put in here, which you remember, maybe the Epcot Center or the Bahamas, etc., or the Niagara. So basically, Deepali has been very active with 3 organizations. One is the CSSC, Center for Study of Social Change, where she has taken up the humanist attitude and rationalist attitude. It is with the Isha Foundation, where she does the yoga and done the inner engineering, and she's also associated with Shushrucha Hospital as a gynecologist. She's not only associated with her work, but she's also quite magnanimous, and she donates a lot to all of them. Whether for the CSSC during the lockdown period, she's donated food for the migrants, for the slums. She has donated in Isha Foundation for the tribals, for their education. For Shushrucha Hospital, she's donated for upliftment of the hospital and for equipment. So not only working with them, also helping out the institutions where she's associated with. She's the winner all the way. Whether it is Las Vegas or Monte Carlo, she's a winner. Very happy wherever she sees water. Wherever she sees water, you see a big smile on her already smiling face becomes bigger. And this is the from Hollywood, again, one of her favorite stars, Julie Andrews. She really, I mean, likes that star. And then on the green carpet, she walked on the green carpet at Cannes. This is the land of the rising sun, where we went with Vishaka, and Ame is there. Saryu was just over here, and Jyotiba. And of course, this is the sun has risen. I mean, and last year where Asim was in Japan. So the Far East, again, lot of memories. Now Mother's Day always has, they celebrate all these friends together, friends, and they call them mothers also. So a very nice sight you find, you know, all of them sit and celebrate Mother's Day. Then you have these terracotta warriors of China and of course Morocco. I mean, lot of places which we have enjoyed. We have done a lot of fun. This is in the North Sea near Edinburgh, in the sands of Morocco, and even at Gentings or somewhere in the snow. A lot of musty. Also, this Himalayan beauty you see at this is at Shoja near the border, Indo-Tibetan border. Always smiling, as I said, and we took a cycle ride in Vietnam. I mean, but wherever you find her, her smile is always there. The African safari we had done with the whole family, and it was a great time which we had. We had even Sarup coming with the kids from UK. We have Ai Baba, Mrs. Mathure, Barak Kaka, Piyush, Daksha. So all of us did the African safari. We had lovely friends there. I think Anila has just joined. So thank you, Anila, for being the host over there. And Hakuna Matata is don't worry, be happy. So this is a Swahili word which tells us always to be happy. And again, few pictures of being water happy. This is Hotel Venice in Vegas, Gulfos at Iceland, and in Croatia. So we had a lot of celebrations, and these celebrations, as one says, Big Brother is watching you. For us, it is not only that, the bigger brother was also watching, so he keeps on clicking, the younger and the youngest gets clicked. So it is always, I mean, we travel out together and we have such pictures. We traveled from Iceland to the Sahara, different climates, and really we had fun. I'll show you that Rajas, we were just talking about Rajas just now. I mean, the one whom we could not mute. So that was Rajas, and we found Rajas in, I mean, when we went to San Francisco, it was so nice that she came from San Jose to meet us. You have the whole Kamath family over there, Dipali. Then we have Megha sitting over here. When we were in LA, Megha and Vijay came down and we were together. Again, in UK, we have Kavita. Kavita is one of Dipali's close friends. Today, unfortunately, she could not come. And Hemant. And this was when Soha was born. So they are in UK. In fact, the first time when we went to UK, I remember we rang up Kavita. She said, how come you can stay in a hotel? They came and in half an hour they took our bags, they put it in the car and took us home. So whenever we are there, they're really, I mean, such a great host to us. And then her school friends, I think most of you are there today on site, where I think they meet every year, they go out, have a holiday. And I think childhood friends, as I said, you're really blessed to have childhood friends even now in life. So thank you, Aparna, for all the help that you have given. This is the Ghat at Varanasi, where our whole family, we did the Ganga Aarti, and this is the Kashi Vishwanath temple, which we visited. Now, you will never find a Dracula who's laughing, who's smiling. A Dracula who's friendly, a Dracula whom, you know, you'd like to look at. So we went to the Dracula's castle, and she drank blood, and you can see that, you know, she had taken some amount of lipstick also, which she put it down, you know, to show that blood is coming out, but she could not stop laughing, could not stop smiling. So that is, even by being Dracula also, she cannot be angry, she cannot frown. Different shades of Dipali that you see in this, from of course Vietnam to Croatia. Then we did a conference, and she came over, she helped me out for the conference, but she was most thrilled in the whole conference with the flowers around the hotel. She used to keep on clicking all the flowers. Whichever flowers she used to see, she kept on clicking them. And Asim, of course, joined us only for 2 days. he came from Singapore and he joined us. Now, Singapore calling. This is not in Singapore, but if you notice, even when Asim was small, he used to wear t-shirts with Singapore written on it. So I was wondering whether, from that time he started preparing for Singapore. And of course, we went for the Star Cruise and off late, for our last trip, this is with Ketki. We are very fortunate that Ketki is also there at Singapore. It's such a nice thing that, both are together. Again, Dipali in different forms. This is where we stayed in tents in the Sahara Desert. This is the glacier cave first. And different climates. We had a lot of fun, a great time. And some of you from Mira we have joined. This is a place where we stay. Our friends, this is of course Sunita's 50th, where it was pre-lockdown time, so all of us together. And Reena, who's been there just now, and all the other friends from our society. Now in the same society, this is Asim, who was in the nursery section, and this was, I think, his fancy dress day, and he went to the nursery. It was on the first floor. From here itself, I can show you that this was the nursery which Asim had attended. I know it because I was also in the same nursery, and my mother also used to take me like that only for the fancy dress competitions. Asim has made a group, which is, he written 3 of us actually, and between Dipali and Asim, they keep on exchanging what she has cooked and what Asim has cooked. So it is photos which keep on going from one side to the other. So this is a group, so that's why I've written it as us, and of course that Vegas and different places in the US. Now, this was one of the pictures which it doesn't look good in this because it's an original picture. So this is Mona Lisa in the Louvre, and you can see them, but there's hardly any time to click in that, but Mona Lisa in the Louvre. And these are Asim's close friends from school, from KG. You have Arjun, Vishnu, Jyotiba, and Asim. And this is Vishaka and Sona. So they've also joined in. So we've been traveling together and traveling a lot, the kids and the mothers together, and these mothers have formed this group. For our graduation, we went to the SMU, and after this graduation, then we went to Bali, which I think Asim had organized the whole trip. So this is all that. The different places where, Dipali was really fond of, and of course would like to go again. But her favorite, according to me, was these pictures, which is Sacré-Cœur or Montmartre, at Paris. And so this is Vatican, as you know, and this was really lovely, where Michelangelo's work at the Sistine Chapel you see. Michelangelo never wanted him to be called a painter. He was a sculptor. So this was one of the most awesome places and one of our favorites. Then Tada, we've been going quite regularly, courtesy Gautam. You see Dipali with the prawns in her hand. Our whole family, Prabhat family over here. And here, Gautam treating us to a early morning batata vada, which used to be the highlights of Tada basically. And Asim, of course, even could not wait for the picture to be clicked. He is eating the batata vada. So these were the mothers of Asim's friends from KG to 10. So there are 7 of them, and all of them are basically together. Nothing in the world can separate these 7. Only Corona. So these always remain together. So they go out for every birthday as a breakfast. A breakfast party is there on every birthday. A nice concept. And once a year they do a trip outside. So I always tell her, "Ja, jeele apni zindagi." So go with your friends and enjoy yourselves. So this is, of course, with her friends, and this is, of course, again at one of our friends who's logged in is Sailesh and Mohini at their house, where Dipali is trying out on karaoke. Last year they did this 7 Sisters trip, where they have visited various places, and you see, lovely places they go to. This place has more lakes than houses. Such a place. And in the lowest slide, picture, you can see guys and gals both on either side. We are taken to dance on a regular basis after a Shushusha function, and Times of India gave it, and Dipali's picture was in front. You find Dipali, and here is Dr. Rajeshri. She is also a surgeon at Shushruksha who's logged in. So, we have a nice time once a week learning Bollywood dancing to stay fit. So this is a Times of India article that you see. So basically for Dipali, health is a priority. And this is one of her articles which she written for the magazines, and she keeps food as a priority. Whenever I have seen any of her patients, they tell me that Madam ne bola hai, eat your food as medicine, or you'll have to eat medicine as food. So for her, food is actually medicine, and the priority is health and nutrition. Always happy with nature. So always happy with nature and having very strong roots. This is very important. She's on the root bridge of Meghalaya, which you all had been last year. These are of course few other places where which are in her memory. She's always ready for the plunge. Wherever it is, she likes to jump into the water. This was Dudhsagar, where we did a lot of swimming, again at Vietnam or at Meghalaya. Wherever she's seen waterfalls, she's seen such scenic places, she likes to be ready for the plunge into a new place. We've gone from Kashmir to Kanyakumari with all our friends. We've been always traveling together. Again, I would like to mention Sona is there in this. So this is Pradeep and Sona. We have Vishaka with all our kids. We have Reena again, who she has joined in. And again over here, you find Saryu and Krishna together, Sailesh and Mohini. So we've been traveling a lot from Kashmir to Kanyakumari together. This is Ujjain Mahakaleshwar temple. This is Romania, Croatia. So these few places. So basically, Dipali enjoys people. She enjoys company. And as we just spoke, we had Jaideep or Deepu. We have Sabina, Sanju. We have Dhyanda and Vicky. All of them have joined in. So it is great seeing y'all, meeting y'all over here. And this is in Sanju's house. And Sabina, they were busy probably organizing, so they're not there in this picture. All of us having a lovely time. It was a Christmas party, and Ranjana is there, and Shriya, both of you, I mean, we just saw you. So we had lovely times together. Again, over here, Amol and Vijay, I mean, Ajay, we saw you just now. Thanks for being there. This is at Amol's cocktail party where Ajay and Vaishnavi are there with us. And again, the whole family at Allahabad, where you can see Dipali with all of them together. And we have Vibha, she's a cousin sister, Moshi's daughter. She's in New Jersey. She has also joined in just now, and my Mama and my Mosa. So basically, whichever side, whichever place, she always enjoys being with people, and she is always a people's person. So that's what we said initially, that the most prized possession is people, and people having trust, people having faith, people having dependency. That is what Dipali is. These are the three, again, as we showed you three, I showed you three sisters. They are also like three sisters, my sister-in-laws. So they are the three in Baurani of our house. And fortunately, I mean, all of them think together, work together without any clash. As you can say, pictures reveal 1,000 words. She reached heights, as we saw in IITS, her academic excellence, which I told you, at every place she's been reaching heights. Various family gatherings have been there. We go out, move out. And here, Bansiri, I mean, hi, we just joined in, spoke to you, Ajay. And we have Shubha and Gaurav in Ethiopian restaurant. We were in London, where, of course, now he just joined in from London just now. Again at Tada, she's with Sai Baba and Shalaka and Surbi. So we have a lot of family travels together. We've been also going to a lot of the Sangeets. As you saw, that Times of India has given that we've been dancing and all. So that helped us, and we've been in demand for Sangeet. People have called us that, can you come and dance in a thing? And we do it free of charge. So we have gone to various places, and sometimes even without really knowing them well, we have done a dance performance. And as Sonia said, we require So Sonia, you wanted to see this, no? So I mean, you got the clip now. Yeah, this is again at home, the three pillars of pediatrics at Nair Hospital. We have, of course, Baba, Dr. Poddar, Dr. Anand, and Dr. Agarwal with their better halves with Deepali. So always been there. And even I remember we had Baba's 70th birthday also over here with all his cousins and family. So always ready to organize and ready to, get everybody together in different places, of course, different shades of Diwali. Now we come to the school. This is a school group. You all have all met after quite a few years, and of course, all got introduced in the beginning. We just spoke to them. This was at home where they all met up, and all of them, Jui and Aparna or Anupama, Megha, all of them, I mean, are so close today, and they're all from the A division. So I used to again get an inferiority over here because it's all the cream or the top class of them together. So all the intellectuals have again got together the A division. This is for the album. Always on all the functions, photos are clicked and albums are made. So you can see excellent photographer that she is, along with being an excellent cook. And I think this picture was given by Vishaka to me. 25 years later, we had a small gathering at home, and you can see that she believes in reuse, recycling. So she wore the same sari after 25 years. I was saved, I didn't have to buy another one. The same sari which she had worn for a marriage, she wore after 25 years. And we were fortunate that even after 25 years, we got blessings of Mr. Jory, Mr. Pushpa Bhatt. They have been the closest family friends of my parents, and they were there for 25th also. Following that, next day we went to that resort near Lonavala, that is Dela Resort, where the whole family stayed together, because it was her wish that you book a place where everybody can stay together. So we all went to stay together. Again, then 2 years ago, we achieved the Snowdon, which was not possible without the Shanbags, the highest mountain of England and Wales, or second highest in whole of UK. We did Snowdon. I mean, it was a 7-hour trek, I remember, and we could achieve it only because of the Shanbags. And we had a whale of a time. We always, Swaroop, whom we call Shaba, and Deepali share a great rapport together. When they start talking, after some time, when her hand starts paining, then she keeps the phone down. They keep on talking for hours together. And I mean, and these are the two children. He's just, Ojas has got a county cap now, and Soha has been admitted to got Cambridge admission. So we've been having a nice time. We've been partying, and we always, when we meet anybody, we say, party kab hai? So we are just ready to basically party. Now this is at our house, my brother's house at Powai. We all Pravas over here at Holi, and all the 4 children, our 4 children, they are all overseas. Nice that both of them are in Singapore. Anshu is in Seattle and Shubha is in London. So all our 4 children are out now, and we enjoy as as kids only. We become kids when we have such gatherings. Various places that we've been. One place which I would like to tell y'all is, this is Pondicherry, where this is Auroville, which all of you should visit. It has the largest crystal in the world, and that whole place was made in a span of 40 years. You have a single beam of light which comes from top on the crystal and illuminates the whole structure, and breeze comes in, so there's no electricity, but such a big structure of Auroville, or called as Matra Mandir, functions on nature. I mean, that is the marvel of Auroville or of this Pondicherry ashram. Then with the AMC, we've been doing a lot of trips, and we just spoke to Manisha in the beginning. This is Manisha and Supriya. These three have a great time together. Again, with Sona also, and all of us at home. I would like to make a special mention for Dr. Meera Agarwal, who's been again a close family from the beginning with us, and she's there at every family function or gathering. Our various sister-in-laws, Deepali has again a good commandery with all of them. You have Vibha, or we call her Pinky, Dolly, and Jyoti from Allahabad. And here you have Dhyanda, Meena, of course, Sabina and Chitra. So a great commandery with sister-in-laws also. Always she's on the move. Various places where you find a nice scenery, she always says, "Kya scene hai?" You know, she enjoys that. And just to show you one of them.
Right under the waterfall and wow! I'm showing you waterfall. One of the most wonderful places.
So we've had awesome experiences. Now this is the artist at work. She just learned a new bottle art and she's done quite a few. So you can see her working with her whole baggage. And this is the final thing with lights inside. And she's made this 50 for her, for Jui, I think, you know, when she went to Goa and all. So this is the bottle art which she has done. So basically just last week also she has done some more bottle arts, which these are the pictures. And this bottle art, I would say, is basically a teamwork what we do at home. It's not her work only, because it is Asim who gets the bottles. I empty it and she only does the painting. So it is a coordinated teamwork of three of us, and this bottle art is done actually. Birds of 1 minute, sorry. So birds of a feather, all of them are always together, and of course, happy Ai Baba here again in the celebration. So basically, she's an environmentalist. Are you recycling, reusing, and reducing? So this is her motto. Does not want to waste anything. Even like if a gift, she won't cover it up. Or she said no flowers and all. And I mean, always thinking of the environment. A lot of her friends, of course, are there here from USA, UK, and Singapore. So they will be happy that she thinks of global warming. She thinks of carbon footprints, etc. So an environmentalist to the core. In a day, what happens? Morning, she gets up and she puts on the mat and does yoga. She does Shambhavi, which is the part of the inner engineering program. After that, she wears her shoes and takes 3 rounds of Shivaji Park. Following this, her next stop is going to the clinic, going to Jivak. This is a sonography machine which she uses, and starts seeing patients. Comes back in the afternoon, has lunch at home. And after that, she prepares a dabba of food, and on the way, she goes to the other and gives it to Ai Baba. Of course, nowadays she cannot go because of certain reasons. I mean, they're quite strict there, but she's been routinely following this for ages. She's basically an expert on taking selfies. So whenever her whole family is together, she's the one who takes the selfies. Wherever we are, either in Goa, Mahabaleshwar, wherever, but she's the one who will click the pictures. Excellent photos, selfie expert. Now the lockdown has not locked her down. She has done a lot of the songs, dances, even Mehendi function. I mean, you can see even the mask which she has prepared, she prepared it herself. It will be matching and went for a function. So, and even in her KM class, some of your friends are there. The best dressed person, she got the first prize in that. So even in the lockdown, she has done a lot of these programs and she's been very active. So these are her lockdown moves that you see. She has prepared a cake. This was 19th, this 19th was Piyush's birthday. And she said, no, I'm preparing a cake. And as you said, how the cake is prepared, I was at home, it was a lockdown. So this was a 2-layered cake with fruits in between. And after that, she put in this cream and again fruits on top. And the cake was just awesome. So this is how basically the cake was prepared. Now, coming to when she completes 50, the thing is that Grihast ashram, they say, gets over. So the only thing left is she has to get Aseem fixed up. And we're fortunate that we've got a very lovely, lovely daughter-in-law to be, and we have Dia. Dia is there on the screen. Got introduced to everybody. And from this picture, I've removed the dates because of this uncertain, unprecedented times. Dia, you can see the save the date which they had prepared it so nicely from Bombay and Delhi with SNU College and working with Visa. So these are the credentials, and Aseem has got engaged to Dia, and we have a very, very lovely family. Again, they were on call with us, so you can see they're always smiling, cheerful. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Jamuna. So we've had a lovely time, of course, when we were in Singapore also, and of course we are regular on call together. But we hope that things are clear, and all of us who are on this call will meet up and we'll have a grand celebration also. So I want to tell her that as you are, always keep smiling. Dipali, you should keep smiling, keep laughing. And this is again Dipali's article, which says, fantastic at 50, it was written for a hospital, but it's so true for her. And the last sentence to quote her is that the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. And that is the essence of this article, basically, fantastic at 50, which she has written. So from our side, a very North Indian statement is Chashme Baddur, that nazar na lage. And I would only say ki Chashme Baddur, nazar na lage. This is the thing from my side. And the Havan which we do at home, Paschema Sharda Shatam, Jivema Sharda Shatam, Buddhema Sharda Shatam. So in short, it means that 100 Sharad Ritus, I mean 100 years you live, and all the special senses also remain intact for 100 years, and you don't be dependent on those 100 years. Adina Shama Sharda Shatat. So this, I would like to end with the Ved, and this is what we would like to say. And best wishes from the Prabhat, Poddar, Shanbag, Varghese family, relatives, friends, well-wishers all around the globe, as you've seen, friends from US, UK who are here, from Singapore, from Goa, Delhi, Pune. And thank you. Thanks a lot for all your attention and for being a part of Dipali. Thank you. Stop share.
Yeah.
Aseem, you can unmute.
Yeah, I'm just going to unmute everyone.
Yeah, unmute everybody.
Just give me a second. Okay, so everyone, you can unmute yourselves if you'd like. If you'd like to speak or say anything, feel free.
Hey, so I would like to say something. Can I start? I've been muted for a long time, so I'm really anxious to speak. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
No. Can
you hear?
We can't.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So just wanted to, first of all, wish Dipali a very, very happy birthday. And Dipali has been my best friend. We've been together since we were in 5th grade. So she's been my benchmate from 5th to 10th standard. And she actually is the loveliest person you could ever imagine. And I am really blessed to have her as my benchmate. She's the most patient, kind person I could have ever asked for. And she's actually quite the, sometimes quite the opposite of me because I'm very quick, impatient, bubbly, talkative, and she's quiet. And she really, really, we are like yin and yang. And very, very grateful to have her in my life. She whenever I talk about Dipali, I always say Dipali, my best friend, and she is my best friend. So that's all I wanted to say. Divya, we can't hear you.
You're on mute, Papa. Okay, you're unmuted.
So she always remembers ice cream soda at Farmer Brothers at Dadar TV.
Yeah, we have a lot of memories with Dipali from school. We used to we were, right now she's vegan and healthy, but at that time we used to have thumbs up every day in the school
Yeah,
canteen
that's what I wanted to say.
just to collect the caps so that we could get the Sunil Gavaskar Flickr book. So she needs to remember that when she talks about plant-based food right now.
Basically, she's finished her quota for life. All thumbs up. So now
Yeah,
she's
possibly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Anyone else? Mukta?
Yugda, unmute.
No, it was so wonderful. We were there for so many of those moments, the engagement and the wedding, and really beautiful to see her journey from the times we were not there, and to see what a lovely, lovely life she's had. She has given so much, and she inspires us to be better through the choices she makes. And I wish Dipali the very best always. You're sunshine in our lives.
This is wonderful. Happy birthday, Dipali. Can they hear me?
Hi, Deepak.
Hey, Divya.
Hi. How's New Jersey?
Thank you, Bhaskar.
We are all well here.
And here is Anika.
You can see the new addition in the family.
Good to
Dia's
see
daughter.
Asim all grown up.
Yeah. Thank you, Raju.
And
What a wonderful thing.
I would say a bit about Dipali.
Yeah.
We have not met very often, and I think Asim I have never seen actually.
We have met Asim and Chetan loves her.
Chetan and
and,
Asim were, together.
Yeah. But Dipali is a wonderful person. Hi, so good to see you.
Hi. Thank you.
There she is. Hi, Dipali. Long time.
Hi.
The new addition in the family.
This is Anika. Dia's daughter.
Dia's daughter. She is 6 months old now.
Yeah.
And what I was saying about Dipali,
Very affectionate person.
a very affectionate person, and I have met her when I moved to Hyderabad. It was always a joy to meet her. And of course, Divya is our youngest brother, and seeing you together, you complement each other a lot, and I'm sure Dipali has a lot to do with it, to keep us connected, meeting all of us in Allahabad.
Divya is amazing.
Yeah, it's wonderful to be connected with everyone. Yeah.
And Asim.
Yeah. I have a question. I have a quick question. Did Dipali miss mine and Mugda's talk about her?
No, she heard it.
Okay.
Don't worry, she heard
No,
it.
I heard it.
Okay.
I have not been able to log back on from my laptop.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, we have recorded it. So,
Thank you.
This is Shilpa, and
Yeah,
Divya,
Shilpa.
first of all, I want to congratulate you on putting together a wonderful presentation of this beautiful journey. I cannot imagine how much it must have, taken so much effort with all these pictures, but Dipali definitely has lived such a fuller life, so it was really nice to go through all of it. So amazing job, and the commentary was great. And of course, to our fantastic, fabulous Dipali, wishing you 50th and more, hit the century. I would say she would make one of the best mother-in-laws. I cannot imagine her as a mother-in-law yet, but she's gonna be just amazing. So looking forward to that milestone in your life, and I'm sure as all others, you will make it great as well. So all the best.
Thank you.
Dipali,
Yes.
Vaishnavi. Many
Just a minute, we are cutting the cake.
Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you. Thank you for taking the shit.
Yes, it's on.
Just wish her a very happy
Hi.
President of the day.
Just a minute. Just cutting the cake.
Is that a vegan cake? It's not ours, I think. It's raining.
No, it's yours. Don't try one.
Or get it in front.
Sorry, there's some background noise, so apologies in advance if I mute you by mistake.
Yeah. Okay.
आणि दिव्या तुम्ही तिथे वा. तुम्ही बाजूला जा. मी ऍडजस्ट करते.
You go there.
Wait. I'll go there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Hey, dear Dipali.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
Birthday to you.
दिव्या कॅमेरा विसरला.
Divya, now you've got to give her bumps.
Birthday bumps.
Yeah. We'll support you.
At least carry her, Divya.
या इथे कॅमेरा हा करेक्ट हा मी केलंय.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think she'll appreciate a necklace made of leaves more.
Probably an explanation of what happened a bit after like 5 minutes.
Oh. No, they're cutting the birthday cake. Okay, correct, Sarvesh. Mummy, you write the chat, na? Dipali, many happy returns of the day, Rajesh. Yeah.
Oh, there's a book. Very nice.
Oh, it's a print of the entire presentation.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Fantastic.
I know.
Wow.
Well done.
Hey, can we get copies?
3 cheers to Divya. Hip hip, hooray!
Hooray.
Hooray!
Hooray.
It's lifelong memory.
Very
Wow.
nice.
Very nice, I know.
Amazing.
Lovely.
What a great idea.
Wow.
Wow. All pictures from the. Wow. Too much.
Wow.
Great memory. One more for picture, for photo.
Yeah. Now, Asim.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.
Yeah.